Top 5 LED headlights, 2023 limited time. Number 5. Nightlight H11 LED headlight bulbs. The Nightlight H11 LED headlight bulbs are a remarkable product that brings unparalleled brightness and efficiency to your vehicle's headlights. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that these bulbs provide a superior lighting experience. One of the standout features of the Nightlight H11 LED headlight bulbs is their impressive lifespan of 50,000 hours. This means that once installed, you can enjoy reliable and long-lasting illumination without the need for frequent replacements. This longevity adds great value to the product, especially for those who frequently drive during nighttime or in adverse weather conditions. These headlight bulbs are designed by Nightlight, a trusted brand known for its commitment to providing high-quality automotive lighting solutions.
Please note that the Nightlight H11 LED headlight bulbs have a manufacturer part number of N1A2H11XA2 and originate from China. However, the quality and performance that they deliver make them a reliable and recommended choice for enhancing your vehicle's lighting system. In conclusion, the Nightlight H11 LED headlight bulbs are a top-notch product that provides exceptional lighting performance, longevity, and ease of installation.
Number 4. Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs. The Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs are an impressive addition to any vehicle lighting system. Manufactured by Torchbeam, a reputable brand in the automotive industry, these headlight bulbs are designed to provide exceptional brightness and clarity on the road. One of the key features of the Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs is their diamond white color, which ensures maximum visibility in various weather conditions. With a voltage of 12 volts, these bulbs deliver a powerful and reliable performance, illuminating the road ahead with precision. These headlight bulbs are specifically designed for use in the front of vehicles, enhancing safety during night drives and in low-light environments. With an operating life of 3,000 hours, the Torchbeam D3SS HID headlight bulbs offer long-lasting durability, reducing the need for frequent replacements.
One of the special features of these headlight bulbs is the internal high-purity xenon, which ensures optimal light output and eliminates the risk of flickering or dimming. The Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs belong to the H2 series, a range known for its reliability and performance. In summary, the Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs offer exceptional brightness and clarity, making them a reliable choice for any vehicle. With their long operating life and high-quality construction, these headlight bulbs provide a superior lighting experience. Upgrade your vehicle's headlights with the Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs and enjoy enhanced visibility on the road.
Number 3. Philips Automotive Lighting 9006 headlight bulb. The Philips Automotive Lighting 9006 headlight bulb is a high-quality product designed to enhance visibility and safety on the road. Manufactured by Philips, a trusted name in automotive lighting, this headlight bulb offers exceptional performance and durability. With a voltage of 12 volts, this bulb provides consistent and reliable illumination for your vehicle's headlights. Its specific use for headlights ensures a focused and clear beam of light, improving visibility in various driving conditions. The Philips Automotive Lighting 9006 headlight bulb comes in a stylish black and clear color combination, adding a sleek touch to your vehicle's exterior. Its exterior is machined to perfection, showcasing the brand's attention to detail and commitment to quality.
The Philips Automotive Lighting 9006 headlight bulb is designed to fit the right side of your vehicle, ensuring proper alignment and optimal beam projection. Its mirror lighting type further enhances its performance, offering excellent light reflection and dispersion. In conclusion, the Philips Automotive Lighting 9006 headlight bulb is a reliable and high-performing product suitable for everyone. With its trusted brand, specific uses, and impressive specifications, this headlight bulb is a valuable investment for ensuring clear visibility and safety on the road.
Number 2. Nightlight Combo Driving Fog Lights. Nightlight Combo Driving Fog Lights provide a reliable and high-quality solution for enhancing visibility and safety while driving in challenging weather conditions. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these fog lights offer impressive features and benefits that cater to a wide range of users. One of the standout qualities of these fog lights is their rugged construction. Manufactured by Nightlight, a well-known brand in the automotive industry, the lights are built to withstand tough conditions. The lens material, made of polycarbonate, ensures durability and resistance to damage from debris and impacts. The clear lens color optimizes light output and minimizes glare, thereby providing a clear and focused beam. This allows for improved visibility, particularly in foggy or misty conditions.
Number 1. Go ACC 635 PCs. Car push retainer clips. The GO ACC 635 PCs car push retainer clips offer a reliable and convenient solution for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. With over 10 years of writing experience, I will provide an unbiased review of this product, highlighting its key features and benefits. Manufactured by Nightlight, a trusted brand in the industry, these car push retainer clips come in a vibrant yellow color, adding a touch of style to your vehicle. The color not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures easy identification and retrieval of clips when needed. Suitable for a range of vehicles, including ATVs, SUVs, UTVs, and trucks, these clips are versatile and can be used across different vehicle types. This wide compatibility makes them an excellent choice for both personal use and professional installations.
With an impressive 635 pieces included in each package, these retainer clips offer excellent value for money. The abundance of clips ensures that you have an ample supply for various projects, eliminating the need for repeated purchases. In summary, the GUAC 635 PCs car push retainer clips by Nightlight offer a durable, versatile, and waterproof solution for your automotive needs. Backed by Nightlight's reputation for quality, these clips are suitable for multiple vehicle types and provide excellent value with their generous quantity. Consider investing in these reliable and convenient retainer clips to enhance your vehicle maintenance or modification endeavors.